Hello everyone, hope you're well. So today's video I will discuss about that what type of keywords you should use. I've been keyword research for your YouTube videos. Before I start, I wanna say if you are watching my video first time, you can subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get latest video updates. So let's start. So here is now you are watching my browser, and now I'm going to search on this um, uh, keyword like YouTube SEO. Look at here. Here is all the rank link here, and now I just put in the uh, keyword like this. Look, here is also suggested that I'm going to show you that here is a free extension that you can use and identify or your chosen keyword, or you can select a keyword by comparing this result. Okay, so here is the result. Look, estimate monthly search volume for United States of America. If your targeted audience is United States of America, then you can use this type of keyword which is offered greater than 10,000 search volume per month. Okay, this keywords is highly recommended to you to use in your videos because it's very important. So you can ask me that why should I search on Google, why not on YouTube? There is something hidden things. Now I'm going to tell you that if you only use keyword inside YouTube, then you could not rank your video easily on Google. Some of people search on Google also, so that your video could be suggested on here, like number 2, number 3. Look at here, look this. Okay, this is why I am telling you that you must be use the keyword which is search volume is greater than 10,000 per month. Okay, CPC it doesn't matter. CPC it doesn't matter. If you uh, earn more revenue, then you can use high CPC keyword also with greater than 10,000 volume, 10,000 search volume. Okay, look at here, SEO YouTube. Here I search YouTube SEO, just the rearrange this word. Look, okay, here is also some solution. So before you getting this information, you must be install this extension keyword supers. Okay, when you will install this extension on your browser, you will get this solution or result like this. As I told that you must be use those keywords whose search volume is 10,000, greater than 10,000. Look at here, 900, 9,900. You can use also this. Never ever use less than 8,000 search volume keywords for your YouTube video. I am telling you again that never all keywords used on Google search volume. You must be use YouTube as a search engine to research your keyword. From there also you have to use lots of keywords for your video so that both combination will be easily rank your video on both search engine like Google and YouTube too. So when you will compare these two search engine ranking keywords and rearrange that, and you have to choose that high search volume keywords with low competition. Always remember, high search volume and low competition keywords is very easy to help rank your videos on Google and YouTube also. So I hope you will get some information from my videos. If you like my videos, then you can subscribe my channel. Also you can like these videos. So talk to you later with another video. Till then, bye bye.